Get strong.
Welcome to another vlog. Well, it's gone. Today or this afternoon, we're gonna actually try KFC in the Dominican Republic for the first time. So, without further ado,
let us begin.
I'm gonna try the biscuit. Very delicious so far. What do you think?
The biscuit is very, so it's not too dry. So the biscuit is very nice, and the fries also are well salted.
Only it's normally when the fries come, they are not as crispy as I like them. They are salty, right level of saltiness, and they are properly fried, but not crispy. Try some more chicken. The chicken is well seasoned. It reminds me of the KFC in Jamaica. And this is the Dominican Republic. It reminds me of the KFC in Jamaica. You know, Jamaica is one of the best KFC. What do you think, Danami? Oh, you haven't tried chicken yet?
I'm gonna save chicken for last.
Very delicious. And before I continue, we're actually sitting in KFC itself having this delicious meal. So please bear with us if you should hear any noise in the background. We were advised to buy this KFC as would be more economical. For meatball, we were 6 piece, and we actually received a dessert in it, 2 biscuits, 2 fries, and I don't know what size, they didn't want to call it. More like large. And of course, the beverage wasn't self-serve. The young lady was one that actually served up. So, question, can this taste be competed or compared The one in Jamaica?
Yes, and I think the chicken is better than the one in Jamaica.
Say it again.
I think definitely chicken is better than the one in Jamaica.
Why do you think chicken is better than the one in Jamaica?
Because Jamaica was not well seasoned the last time I tried it. It was not well seasoned.
Heard that, Jules? My son said his KFC in the Dominican Republic tastes better than the one in Jamaica because several times he had eaten the one in Jamaica, the KFC in Jamaica, and it is not as well seasoned as this one that we're eating. And I will agree with him because even the other day when the KFC in Portland, and it was the worst KFC I've ever eaten in Portland, Jamaica. So I guess the Dominican